Ha ha ha. How are you, dear ones? I'm laughing. I'm laughing because here I am at this beautiful park with so much greenery, trees. And I wanted to talk about life. That is no such a thing as a perfect life. No matter who you are, you can be a Queen Elizabeth II or the Duchess of Cambridge or Sheikh. Just name it. It's always something. You see this? It's beautiful. It's a form of art. But look what's going on behind me. Yeah, just when I started to think about making this video, just to prove that even in the most beautiful circumstances, when you think it should be ideal, wow, I'm in nature and the earth is so gorgeous and it's sunny day and this crisp, clear, beautiful air which makes a perfect weather to walk. But then you have trucks with making horrible air around. That's life. That's life. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like this park, I have favorite spots where I like to walk, like my favorite. And then are less favorite, like maybe this one. Okay? So much of a dead wood. But what a beautiful metaphor for the time, astrologically speaking, when so many planets are placed in the sign of Virgo. Yes, being perfectionist, let's forget about that. But how about health? You see, people in this park, I have to say, they are running, walking like me, riding bikes, just name it, okay? Everything to be healthier, more efficient in our everyday life. What's with all this health and work and business and everyday life when it comes to Virgo? Oh, it's simply all about energy. So this energy of Virgo makes us willingly clean the dead wood, which means what doesn't serve us anymore in our life. What is beautiful and green to live, and everything else that is gone with the wind, as I say, it's dead. Dead in the water, dead wood, whatever you say, it's time to let go of. And I'm gonna stop because later is gorgeous, but full sun. So maybe I go even the other way because it's a perfect example. The contrast between green and healthy and a dead wood, okay? Brown, doesn't look too sexy. So, usually I have one question and then maybe the other to everybody who don't know, making changes, not making changes in life. So I have to ask you, are you happy? If yes, congrats. Well, congratulations, beautiful. If not, then I have a next question. Are you healthy? Why is important? First of all, health is the most important thing. That's your biggest asset that you have in life. But also, whatever is a problem in your body, mentally, emotionally, physically, That corresponds to your private life, your personal life. What doesn't work anymore? What is the dead wood in your life? It shouldn't be there. You see, when so many planets are in Virgo, Mars, the ambition and drive, Venus, what we love, Mercury, how we communicate, Sun, and new moon in Virgo, super new moon, gives us the green light, just like you see this green here, gorgeous green, gives me, gives all of us the green light to change our life. Doesn't mean it's easy, because sometimes we need to simply, okay, cut the dead wood and clean it up. And because of the memories, sweet memories, it's hard to do. I understand that. But if that means afterwards feeling healthier, it's worth it. Also, if you have any vices, for example, smoking, drinking, alcohol, too much coffee, gambling, whatever it is, it's gonna be a lot easier to decide, okay, I'm deciding to live a healthy lifestyle. No more poisoning myself. I'm gonna start running, go to the gym, stop drinking, and I'm gonna put my life in order, even if I have to make lists, because Virgo is very good with this, okay? Planning, organizing, cleaning, cleansing, whatever it takes. So if you decide to do it at this time, and this wonderful Virgo energy is up to the 14th of September, just go for it. Just do it, okay? Like Nike says. And no, life never is perfect. Don't expect that. But at least our daily life, our lifestyle, our health, well-being, we can put in order. So now I want you to do with me something that is extremely healthy. And looking at this green, beautiful park, we're gonna take 3 deep breaths, okay? Nose and then out, mouth. Nose in, mouth out. The third one, we're gonna stop and we're gonna blow it out as powerful as we possibly can. But because what we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of all the stress. Yes, when we're stressed out, our breathing is very, very shallow, and we become even more stressed out, and that leads to all kind problems in our body. So here where is, oh my God, it's so beautiful. And so if you could just feel this air, which is perfect, really. That's what is perfect. Okay, we're starting the breaths, okay? Breathing. Taking the air in with our nose and out with our mouth. And in deeply and out. And in, stop, and lower out. Here when the stress, the nonsense, the deadwood, everything that doesn't belong to you, it's out. Feel refreshed. And every time you in nature, repeat, repeat, repeat. Can you say I'm a teacher? Love you. Wish you all the best. And bye.